What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going over a lateral lunge, which is a great variation of the lunge exercise. It's something that's going to target the inner thighs and really challenge your mobility. So let's get it. Okay, so we'll start off with body weight. So we're going to start off with our feet together. We're going to step out to the side nice and far, and we're going to lunge down. Ooh, take that. Right back. Some people like to let that foot come up. That's going to allow you to sit back a little more. So by that foot, I mean the opposite foot. So I'm stepping out with the right. Note with my left foot. I'm going to allow it to come up a little bit, which allows me to sit a little bit lower. Some people like to do it that way. You don't have to do it that way, okay? Either way is fine. It's just a way to help get deeper. Now, it looks like when I do that I initially bend my knee first, but actually what I'm doing is I'm sitting my butt back first, okay? My knee's gonna bend naturally, right? Ankle, knee, hip, all connected. Depending on if the knee starts moving, the ankle and the hip are gonna start moving too, okay? So, and vice versa. If the hip starts moving, knee and ankle are gonna start moving too. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna step out to the side, same exact way. I just want you guys to see the side version of this, okay? So I'm stepping out to the side. All right, and what I'm doing is I'm immediately sitting my butt back as I put my weight into the side, which I stepped out with. So I'm sitting butt back first, and then putting my weight in to the side, coming back. Okay. So now if I bend my knee first, then this is gonna get all weird because now my knee's passing my toe, and I'm not sitting my butt back. I can't really get low. So if you're having trouble getting depth, you're probably being a little bit too knee dominant. Okay. So in order to get that depth, what we're going to do is we're going to sit the butt back. Feet together. There it is. Beautiful. Step back. Feet together. We'll see on this side again. Out to the side. Feet together. Out to the side. Feet together. And then I like to do it, you can alternate. For me that gets a little bit messy. So I just like to go one side, then the opposite side. So I'll knock out whatever the number is. We'll say it's 7. We'll knock out 7 on one way, and go 7 the opposite way. So it's taking a nice wide step out, sitting the butt back first, leaning into that side, pressing off of that foot here. I'm pressing off of this foot, pulling with this foot, bringing my feet together. Hips locked out, glutes activated. That is a perfect lateral lunge with no weight. Now, if we're gonna go with weight, we can use some dumbbells, okay? We can go 2 dumbbells if we're feeling like real swole. All right, we're gonna step out to the side. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna let my knee split the weight. So one side, one weight's gonna be on the outside of the leg, other weight's gonna be on the inside of the leg, okay? So I'm stepping out. And all the same principles. Stepping out first, sitting the butt back, driving in, out, in. Okay? Stepping out, driving in. And that's it for the lateral lunge. Pretty simple. If you want to do it with a kettlebell, do it with a kettlebell as well. Or you do it with one dumbbell. You can hold it like this. Step out to the side, just let it go right to the inside of the foot. Come back up. Okay? It'll look the same way with a kettlebell. I'm going to go get the kettlebell. I'll be right back. Right there. So we'll start here with the kettlebell. Step out to the side. Let that hip sit back. Drop right to the inside of the foot. Feet together. Real simple. Here. If you want to use 2 kettlebells, you split it the same way you would on the dumbbell. That's a lateral lunge. Hope that was helpful. If you got any comments, please comment on the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that we love you. Thank you.